Hi, this is the team at Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to import G-code into Easel. There are two ways to import G-code into Easel. The first is by selecting Project at the top of the screen, and from the drop-down selecting Import G-code. The other option is from the Import icon on the left-hand toolbar. When I select that, I'll get a drop-down menu, and one of the options will be G-code. When I select that, I'll get an import window and I'll be given the option to choose my file. When I select choose my file, I can then choose my file from my computer's file folder and select open. Then, once my G-code is imported, I'll be brought to the G-code carving screen. Here, all of the design options in Easel will disappear, and instead I'll be left with just the toolpath simulation, the ability to view the toolpath simulation, and the ability to start my carve. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.